Good morning, traders. Alla developer of proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system, that would like to remind to you, every single morning intelligent trader prepares with institutional structure. Alpha Fibonacci system identified weeks in advance that this is where trillions of dollars will be buying the market. As we will walk through this morning, so you can see how you backtest the system going back years. This morning, trillions of dollars testing critical key Alpha Fibonacci brick wall. Intelligent trader understands far in advance, powerful selling pressure is key. So when I bring to your attention retail chart, this is what every single chart on S&P looks like this morning. Retail chart reached reversal zone. We need sell-off, we need a crash. So if I am to convert this chart to 5, to 10, to 15, to any chart you choose to trade, intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader knows quite well. If price remains at this level, it's a retail chop and it's a retail junk, it's a retail weakness. Institutions clearly long. Buyers remain fully in charge. Absolutely no software on my chart. You can apply this to any time frame, to any chart on S&P mini future. As we discussed with my students pre-market, this is retail pain, this is retail torture. Overextended bullish rally is stuck without powerful sell-off, nothing here to do. This is broker's heaven. This is where broker printing money when retail chop is present. There is only one good thing that will happen this morning for retail trader: crash and sell-off. Without crash and sell-off, institutional traders can add to position anywhere. This is key level to the downside on every chart. This is critical key brick wall. As you will see next, on Amazon, on Apple, on Euro, on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on gold, on any instrument you choose to trade, every single system I ever developed for the last 20 years based on pure price and Fibonacci retracements you can insert on any platform, any instrument you choose. So this pain remains retail trader on sidelines. It means institutional traders holding position. And if I decide to add software to day trade futures for NinjaTrader 8, this is a massive pain. This is a massive crawl. Without sell-off and crash, nothing here to do. You stop losing money, you stop losing your mind. You stop trading broker's heaven. Institutional traders can add to their position anywhere. But if you decide to buy this high, you're trading extremely aggressively. And that's a pain and crawl on S&P, on every single chart where price stuck extremely high. So if you understand the power of this, if you understand how to buy the bottom with institutions, how to sell the top with institutions, all the pain, all the stress goes away. You also know many months in advance, this level is out, this level to follow. Today is a historical event and historical week to see if we have enough institutional power to continue drastically higher. And that's predictive, strategic, intelligent chess. So let me show you how you can backtest the system going back months and years. This is core institutional chart that reflects trillions of dollars in US markets. This is first week in April. Tariff war is on. Where with students in classes, we remain firmly bullish. Here is the chart all the way back to January 1st, 2025. You're not crying yourself to sleep. You understand response at this institutional level will define markets for years to come. Again, trillions of dollars and institutional chart. identical level as playing out right now on S&P in front of you live. Market not selling off, correct? Market keeps moving higher and higher and higher. This is the reason trading room is open, so you can witness precision of the system live. And if you are present and managing your investments and managing long-term positions and trading with institutions, you're witnessing institutional crash. All before tariffs war. Here comes mid-March. Exactly 2 months ago, March 13th. US stock market in free fall. This level is out, market collapsing. And we know and discuss with my students months in advance where market heading to. We remain firmly bullish at core alpha Fibonacci buy point. Here we go. Tariff war worse than ever. Institutions buying the market with vengeance. And that's the reason I wake up this morning, 2 incredibly happy students who know far in advance where to buy the markets despite negative news, despite tariff war. Buyers are weak, picking up this steam because this level remains intact, heading higher until next level. And that strategic intelligent chess, that incredible professor in Germany who is here with us, started trading a month ago with ultimate precision, as I will share next. So again, core institutional chart that intelligent trader been writing from the bottom, knowing quite well, market heading up. If this level is out, how to trade this, you learn in the course. And when I bring to your attention S&P micro charts, pain continues on. We knew quite well it's not the place to short. We knew quite well it's a critical key retail buy point that institutions keep adding to position. So while this dangerous retail crawl continues, an intelligent alpha Fibonacci trader well prepared weeks, months, and hours before market open. Let's review other instruments, shall we? Here we go. This chart on euro show you the power of the system that again you can backtest going back years. Why is this such a powerful chart? Because when my hometown in Ukraine is bombed and my childhood friends in panic, intelligent trader knows months in advance, war or not, this ultimate low is a place to buy from, not to short. Our student in Saudi Arabia, absolutely unhappy, leaves Saudi Arabia and buys home in South France. Jamal is my dearest friend for life. His home value doubled since. So if you know how to buy euro at the bottom and you're witnessing clearly on this chart, start of the Middle East war means nothing. Critical key alpha Fibonacci support being bought non-stop. Does this look familiar? Playing out in front of you on S&P this morning, on every single chart. You're using your limitless brain and trading all markets as intelligent, strategic, predictive, precise chess. So here's euros this morning. Bullish rally is over. It's such a good news for us, poor Americans traveling to Europe. Take a look where we are this morning. What does the intelligent trader knows? This is lifeline on euro. This level remains intact, sellers are worthless. That's it. And again, war in Europe worse than ever. But euro kept skyrocketing, obeying this key level. So while this is an extremely important chart, because every human being on this earth knows, events in Europe worse than ever. but bullish rally on euro, biggest rally in the history of euro, vertical, skyrocketed from 96 cents until 115, while US dollar collapsing completely and being bought from critical key alpha Fibonacci buy point. You can trade this MT4, MT5, interactive brokers, thinkorswim trade station, however you wish. You are very well prepared on Ethereum, as yesterday in class we discussed massive numbers of shorts on Ethereum and why intelligent trader was buying Ethereum here. Collapse on Ethereum 70%. Collapse on Nvidia was spectacular, breathtaking. AI world or not. Nvidia collapsed from 155 until 89. Catastrophic collapse, 35% plus. Right now Nvidia heading higher. This will be key event on Nvidia. Nvidia bought non-stop from critical key alpha Fibonacci buy point. Sell-off on Tesla 70+%, and Tesla rallying despite catastrophic earnings, let me remind you. So this was the event on Tesla. Tesla earnings April 22nd. Take a look on this chart. Intelligent trader not shorting Tesla but buying Tesla at this level. Since horrific earnings report, Tesla skyrocketed from 115 until this morning 318. This will be key level on Tesla next. You using your limitless brain, you seeing time and time again. Alpha Fibonacci system overrides earnings. And what you witnessed on Tesla and what you witnessed on Bitcoin is identical event you're witnessing on S&P right now. When you can trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci system. Good morning, Ruben. So here we are, market selling off. Are we clear on that? We're extremely clear if this level remains intact. It's junky bearish correction only. It's a retail pain, not power. Agree on that? So while S&P remains in pain and so is Nasdaq, let's look on other charts and remember, I'm open for questions. Gold. Gold stuck in identical level, bouncing from until here, being here for the last 5 weeks. Agree? This level remains intact, gold will test this level again. If not, gold will crush. An intelligent trader knows with a single glimpse how important this moment is. Oil news tomorrow in this trading room. Oil skyrocketing from key alpha Fibonacci buy point. Our student in Saudi Arabia is ecstatic. I never knew that traders in Saudi Arabia are not allowed to short but only buy the markets. Did you know that? So when S&P continues higher and the scanner give you alert, intelligent trader understands these are very aggressive and dangerous trades. Institutions remain longs, institutional traders adding to positions. For retail trader, it's extremely dangerous place. So in the course I work with traders from 12 to 80 plus years old. This is the reason I live and breathe what I do, and I refuse to work for financial institutions, including 2 more emails I woke up to this morning. Let me show you why I choose to do what I do. Here's a legend. This photo is 15 years old. Michael been my student for 15 years. He became prop firm trader. He trading massive numbers of prop firm accounts. I coached his daughter how to trade. Today she is 17 years old. So when fathers bring in their children to the course, and friends bring in their friends, and Sam puts his daughter through Harvard, trading alpha Fibonacci system. This is the reason I'm here with you this morning. husbands bringing their wives. This is wife of a trader who with 2 little babies on her arms became full-time trader. And when I'm invited to weddings all over the world, this is the reason I'm here with you this morning. All you have to do, make an effort. And when you do, it becomes family affair of full-time prop firm traders that struggled for many years before. And when Carlton brings 5 friends to the course, this is the reason I'm here with you this morning. Every single one of these traders trading proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system on any instrument they choose. It's absolutely your personal choice. If you want to trade stocks, if you want to trade Forex, if you want to trade crypto, if you want to trade tick charts, if you want to trade any chart you choose. Market in pain, reached reversal zone, stuck in correction. If we are not selling off, this is broker's money printing machine. Identical event playing out on Bitcoin now. Bitcoin testing Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Buyers stepped in on Bitcoin identical as you witnessed on S&P this morning. Every single one of the systems I ever developed applies to every single instrument, every single time frame. So whatever platform you are on, you need Fibonacci retracement tool and your incredible passion and effort. But as I teach in every single class, not everyone meant to day trade. Not everyone can pass psychological tests. Not everyone has technical execution. But anyone can trade long term. Anyone can spend hours, days, weeks making decisions. If you want to trade Bitcoin, or if you want to trade Forex, or if you want to trade Apple, you know why Apple crashed from this level, despite spectacular earnings. 250 until 175, 160 until 175. That's 40% crash on Apple. With the power of the system, you knew not to buy Apple here. Hear how you can backtest the system, as I teach in every institutional class, as JP Morgan traders trading the system. Here's October 2024, 1. Here is Apple. Intelligent trader understands this level remains intact, it's correction only, as price moves one step at a time. Everything changes on Apple in January. Here comes the most important moment that defines Apple for months to come. This level is out, this level to follow. This level is out, this level to follow. As price always moves one step at a time. So whatever instrument you decide to trade, you trade markets as intelligent strategic chess. You know where to buy Apple from. You know why Apple right now in so much pain. And when you're witnessing identical event playing out in front of you on S&P this morning, on any chart you choose to trade, you see very clearly how simple and predictive and precise and strategic this Alpha Fibonacci system is. So when son of the hedge fund manager delivers this because he's simply bored, but his father trading entirely different instrument, it proves and shows to you, if father and son can do it on different instruments, different time frames, different platforms, anyone can. Simply identify what's appropriate for you, and the skies are the limit. So again and again and again, market heading higher in extremely aggressive and dangerous loans. Are we clear on that? Institutions adding to positions, and we are very, very clear where market heading to. We discussed institutional entries in this Monday class, in previous week's classes, and we will be discussing this in Thursday institutional class. So Matias is here with us this morning. Incredible gift, incredible joy to have you on board. Incredible, phenomenal, breathtaking effort by human being who struggled for many, many years before. Very, very clearly, it's never been Matias' fault. It's because market loaded with junk, with delayed, speculative indicators. So if you failed so many times before, it's because you've been chasing speculative delayed indicators, speculative delayed systems that look so good after the fact, not before. So this is a struggle that Matias have done through before. Very typical story of traders who come to the course. I would say 90% plus lost a fortune before, not anymore. The sky's the limit if you make an effort. So when students stop by in the course in the middle of the night, just because he cares about our global community, Matias in Germany, CEO in Melbourne, legend, giver, sharing, phenomenal performance. Trading futures, trading forex. Here's more. Complete beginner trader, stressed out attorney. When Pablo came to the course, he didn't know what Ninja Trader was. He called me because he found me on YouTube, where you can see thousands of videos over the years. Pablo is my dearest friend for life. Now, top step trader, closed his law practice. So is Sue, programmer in Dallas, lost a fortune. All of these traders on our podcast channel. Now she's managing 401k accounts, trading not just S&P but gold, Bitcoin, oil, and silver. All of this, the reason I wake up at 4 a.m. and I'm here with you. And every day I keep building my systems. Predictive, proprietary, as market crawling higher and higher and higher. And we knew it before market open in very dangerous crawl. 20 years of building my systems. When you click here, you see this is just work in the last few months. I see every single strategy connected to the next one. Market is flawless alpha, Fibonacci chess. All you have to do, identify the instrument appropriate for you to trade. On my left, I have exponential numbers of charts. That's it. And all I see is a dangerous crawl. And we knew it before it happened. That's it. So when the scanner keeps giving you alerts, institutional traders continue long and long and long. For retail trader, it's a pain and torture. It's very easy to trade someone else's money when your order is long. And it's very difficult to trade your own little account when every single tick matters. Trillions of dollars, long, long, long. On both S&P and Nasdaq. And we knew it well before market open. All in advance, never after the fact. So if I bring to your attention Nasdaq right now, this is drastically bigger move. Nasdaq already broke through the level S&P is heading to. Nasdaq is a market leader. Do we see this? Very, very clear, black and white. Bullish rally on Nasdaq continues with vengeance. Nasdaq skyrocketed from this level, spelled out many days in advance where to buy from. On a critical key retail chart, this is where we are right now. If I convert this chart to 5, to 10, to 15, to any chart you choose to trade, this is Nasdaq crawling higher and higher and higher. So whatever instrument and time frame you choose to trade, you're absolutely free to decide what's appropriate for you and your account. 100,000% absolutely your personal choice. And that's overextended institutional rally with multiple other instruments, as shown you time and time again. When you're using your limitless brain and you're buying the bottom with institutions, it's drastically better place to be than the pain, which played out yesterday morning in retail correction. That's it. So right institutional power is the biggest lesson of this morning, as Nasdaq heading to 22,000. As again you knew where to buy Nasdaq from, where to short Nasdaq from. Response at this level will define US markets for years to come. So when Nasdaq reaches your crucial key target, you understand we came to the critical juncture this morning. Again, whatever chart you decide to trade on Nasdaq, in the course you learn this is core target. You are not speculating, you're not gambling with your money. This is where we are. As confirmed, absolutely crucial event playing out in front of you live. Yesterday in the class, it was mind-blowing precision. Critical key event. Again, this level remains intact. Bearish correction is worthless. Institutions remain long. Response at this level, crucial on Nasdaq. Identical structure on S&P. So if you just discovered the website, please review carefully our homepage, and you can always request invitation to the trading room. But on our homepage, you see something extremely important. In the month of April, I was teaching historical annual trading bootcamp, where during historical market conditions, I developed 10 or 12 recordings where you witnessed ultimate precision of Alpha Fibonacci system live. Bootcamp recorded value 2777 included at no extra course to new May students. We have only one spot left. So if you've been struggling for years or you're just starting out, this becomes transformation. I promise you that. Yesterday I worked with oncological surgeon who is genius. He's obsessed with my system. He cannot get enough. My favorite clients are the ones who've been in financial markets for years. They're blown away. So if JP Morgan traders blown away, if successful traders blown away, if children of my students can trade this, this will absolutely catapult your trading, as you will see the power of the system live with a proven system, with institutional strategies, with absolute precision. 4 packages available include lifetime system to all platforms, 2 options with software for Ninja Trader 8 to day trade futures, appropriate for day and position traders, futures, options, crypto, stock, index, commodities, metals, any instrument that has price, Alpha Fibonacci system applies. So this is additional value. So when you review on the homepage our students' performance from all over the world, where every single one of the traders trades different instrument, different time frame, different platform, and you see less than 1% of the emails posted here. If these traders can do it, so can you. Movie maker in London made movie about Fibonacci Trading Institute. Ken's story is legend, and you can see all of that on YouTube. Again and again and again, read traders' stories from all over the world. When doctor retires trading system on options, when student in Moscow trading the system, helping his friends in Ukraine. This is a global story. This is the reason I live and breathe what I do. And it never gets old to wake up every morning to be here with you. So I can't wait to do podcast with Matias here this morning. Waiting list of students to do the podcast. So listen to trader stories, view our students' reviews, and choose the option appropriate for you. Private mentoring, the most desirable option. I have only one spot available. Option 2, group course, the most popular option. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Private mentoring with a bootcamp, savings $10,000. Group course for all platforms and with a lifetime software for Ninja Trader 8, savings almost $8,000. So as market continues higher and higher and higher, and we knew it hours and days in advance, please remember, if you're ready to trade as intelligent strategic trader and you have any questions for me, I will absolutely look forward speaking with you. Simply pick up the phone and call, but first view our students' performance by traders from beginner to hedge fund manager. Choice is yours. If these traders have done it, so can you. As bullish rally continues higher and higher and higher, and we knew it well before market open. Sellers are worthless, institutions are long. And that's precision of proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system. You can trade on any instrument, any time frame, any platform. Only requirement, Fibonacci retracement tool. And if you want the software to day trade futures, it comes with trade recognition software and multi-market scanner. Massive numbers of long alerts. At overextended institutional rally that continues with vengeance. And we knew it well before it happened. That's it. S&P heading to 6100. Nasdaq heading to 22,000 level. You learn in the course where to enter, where to exit your trade. That's it. Ultimate precision and all the questions in the trading room, or pick up the phone and call. That's it. And that's spectacular morning from our trading room. Simply sign up for the trading room invitation and you can ask me questions, or again, simply pick up the phone and call.